create and verify your Gmail account without phone number. This is what I'm about to show you. Don't miss any steps. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss my tips and tricks. Let's get started. Firstly, go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find Google Services, and then click right here. Then tap on Add another account. Now tap on Create Account. Let's choose for personal use. Okay, now enter your informations, your gender, and tap on Next. You can click right here to personalize it. Guys, it's 100% working. Trust me. Right here, enter your password, then tap on Next. As you can see, the email address is successfully created. Later, you can add your phone number for security purposes. Give this video a like, share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Take care.